All right, so we are going to install Metamask today. Metamask is a wallet that lives on your mobile phone or on your browser on your desktop. This is the icon that it looks like, and we're just going to hit the install button. What I use Metamask for is to I buy coins on Coinbase or Crypto.com or Gate.io, and then I transfer those coins to this wallet so that I can get in and out of other cryptocurrencies on decentralized apps like Cronos, Drip, Strongblock. There's a bunch of them out there. So this is where all of your funds will live, and I usually use this as a middleman kind of clearinghouse where I transfer things in and out. And then I usually don't leave a lot of coins on MetaMask, but I usually transfer them back to a centralized platform in order to like sell back for US dollars. All right, so we're going to open up MetaMask here. I'm going to walk you through the setup process, and we're going to get started here. Open. I don't know why it goes through that. All right, so get started. All right, we're going to create a new wallet. I'm going to no thanks that. All right, we're going to set a new password. We're going to say, let's call it Red Duck 123. I'm just making something up. Red Duck 123. Let's remember me. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. I understand. All right, creating your wallet. All right. We're going to secure your wallet with a recovery phrase. That is super important. I'll get to that in a moment. Now, it's recommending that you write these words down. I highly recommend you write these words down. Write them on a piece of paper, save them somewhere safe, email them to yourself, tell a friend, whatever. Just make sure that you do not lose this phrase. Otherwise, it is gone. You cannot access your account. So we're going to put Red Duck 123. Done. No thanks. Why is it? Couldn't unlock your account. Oh, maybe it's capitalized. All right, there we go. Okay, so now that we're in here, we're gonna write down our. So we have 12 words here: diamond, fossil, skin, fog, business, tornado, high, palace, ready, sign, alert, senior. Now I'm gonna burn this account afterwards, so those words will not get you into my account because I'm gonna deactivate this account. But I just want to use this for showing y'all how to set this up. So we're going to write those down. Sometimes I just save them. You can't screen share it, or you can't like do a screenshot because of MetaMask won't let you do that. So we're just going to write those down. Diamond, fossil, skin. Actually, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. That'll save me some time. New. I'm going to save that. All right. I'm just going to put that over the side here. And all right, so we're going to go to continue. And now it's going to ask you to repeat those words in the correct order. So, oh crap, restart app. Hang on. Actually, I don't need to do that. Okay. Back to MetaMask. Sorry about that. Ooh, forgot I was streaming some. Okay, so we're going to hit diamond, fossil, skin, diamond, fossil, skin, fog, business, tornado, fog, business, tornado, high, palace, ready, high, palace, ready, sign, alert, senior. All right, and that gets us into our account. All right, so this is the home screen. So this is your account. Right here, it says the Ethereum main network. This is the amount of Ethereum you have. It defaults to Ethereum because I believe they developed this all on the Ethereum network or blockchain. So what we want to do is set up, you can manually set up different blockchains so that you can hold coins from different chains. For example, Binance Smart Chain or Chronos. Let's use an example here. All right, we're going to import the Cronos network. Let's say I want to buy some Chronodes today. So just do a search for how to connect Metamask to the Chronos mainnet, or any blockchain that you want to add. Just do a search for the blockchain and connect it to Metamask, and it's just going to basically walk you through this process. You're going to need these. You're going to need this here, the website, the ChainID, and the symbol. So we're going to add Chronos. So let's follow these directions here. We're going to go back here. And because I switched screens, it's going to make me log back in, which is a little annoying, but probably a good thing to do. All right. All right. So no, thank you. No, thanks. All right. We are going to add a new blockchain. Let me remember how to do this. This is close, browser activity, settings. Settings, here we go. Sorry. Oh yeah, I'm not used to the mobile device. I usually use this on desktop, so bear with me. Okay, so networks, we're gonna add a custom RPC. All right, so we're gonna hit add network here. All right, and this is where we're gonna use that information from that website I just was searching for. So what I'm gonna do here is, hang on, I'm gonna do this on my desktop real quick. Add Chronos to MetaMask, just so I can get all that information. And the website is, all right, so we have https://evm dash Chronos, CRONOS .crypto.org. That's our first address. Ooh, can't type. And then the RPC URL is, dang it, I need to copy that. Dummy head. Come on. Copy. Put that in the wrong place. Paste. All right, let's do, sorry about that. Network name is Chronos. Doi. All right, and then the chain ID is 25, based on what the website is telling me. Symbol is CRO. And then the Block Explorer URL. This is how you can see if your transactions go through. And let's see. Chronos. .crypto.org. No! Oh, that's annoying. Did I just lose all that? I did. I'm going to pause this video and I will put it back in and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. And we're saved. Okay, so now you'll see here we have the Chronos is in the wallet. So now we can go back and forth. We can go back to the Ethereum main network, or we can go to Chronos. All right, so now now we have access to a new blockchain on our wallet. So you would repeat this process for all your other smart chains, Binance and such, Avalanche network. But that is how you set up, add a different network to a MetaMask wallet, and how you set up your MetaMask wallet. I will go through the same process for a couple other chains now. If you want to continue to watch, I will now do the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so we're going to add a Binance Smart Chain, the Binance Smart Chain to our Metamask. So we're going to go to Networks. We're going to add network. And we're going to put in network name, which is Smart Chain. I just write Binance. I think that would be the easiest, Binance. You can really put whatever you want in here. And then this is what's important, is the RPC URL, which is https://BSC dash dataseed dot Binance .org. Chain ID is 56. Symbol is BNB. And block explorer URL is https //bsscan.com. All right, so we're going to add that. All right, so now, as you can see here, we have Binance. So now we have Ethereum main network, we have Cronos, and we have Binance. So that is how you set up your Binance to interact with your MetaMask, i.e. how MetaMask interacts with the Binance Smart Chain. So if you're going to be purchasing something like Cheems, you would buy Binance BNB coins from Crypto.com and transfer that to your wallet, which is your address is right here. So you can copy that address, and we'll just kind of shoot over to Crypto.com real quick. All right, so when you have your Crypto.com account set up, you literally just copy that address that we just tagged, and let's go to a coin. Let's go Crypto Wallet. We'll do Binance. I don't have any Binance. That's inconvenient. How about this? We got Chronos. So I can transfer this to that same wallet address. The address stays the same no matter what chain you're on. So I did copy that address, so I can use that for Chronos or Binance Smart Chain. So we'll just go, I have 0.01 Crow right now. I'm going to transfer that. We're going to hit withdraw. We're going to go to external wallet. And I have Chrono MetaMask already set up here. The thing with this, if you start a new wallet, it's going to take 24 hours before you can send funds to that wallet. It puts it on a whitelist. So if you want to get this started, just know that you've got a 24-hour wait period. I've already done that, so I'm just going to go to withdraw. I'm going to hit Crow. I'm going to do max, and I can't send it, but that's how, because it's not enough. Let's see. Can we do that? And you would just follow through the steps from that point. So I'm going to backtrack and actually purchase some Chronos so that I can transfer it. I'm going to use my crypto. So you can use your credit card, or you can transfer funds from your Crypto.com wallet, which is any of the funds that you currently have in Crypto.com. So I've got some Bitcoin here. I'm going to use Bitcoin, and I'm just going to buy 2. Well, we don't want to buy 10,000, not today. We're going to buy 2 Chronos. Okay, so I got to do 3.48. So we'll do that. 3.48. Let's try 3.5. There we go. We can buy 3.5. All right. So the fee is 0. So whenever you're buying with crypto, there's no fee. So I'm going to confirm that. I'm going to enter my passcode. I'm going to hide that. All right, so I purchased 3.5 Crow coins. All right, so now my balance shows it there. So I want to transfer that. I'm going to withdraw that. External wallet. Withdraw. Crow is going to undo the max. I'm going to withdraw that. All right, so this does have a small fee for transferring to your wallet. That is actually going to my other wallet, not the one we just made up, but that's how you complete that transaction. All right, and now at this point, you're going to have to do a verification code sent to your mobile address that you have on file with crypto.com. And then you're also going to have to do two-factor authentication, which is basically Google Authenticator, which is this app here. Google Authenticator is an app that syncs up with your different accounts. So it's going to you're going to take this code and copy that. It refreshes every 30 seconds. You're going to copy that and you're going to paste it back over in here along with your mobile verification code. Once you hit all that, then the funds on the Chronos network usually take a few seconds to transfer, and they'll show up on your in your MetaMask wallet. And then you can go and buy Chronos or whatever you're looking to do that day. So that's a little overview of the process. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And everybody have your best day ever. Bye.